Ooh, what a beautiful place, you know, all the flowers. How many hectares is this? I don't know. You see, guys, all the flowers. So beautiful. And I am here walking. Guys, so very beautiful. Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity. And thank you for my life as being born in this is here. Beautiful. Guys, is it